Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of mobile navigation menu. So in this part we're just going to do the final touch on it. As you can see, all the pages are opening when I press them, but the menu itself is not showing which option is selected. On other cases you might find when let's say deals is selected, maybe the color of the icon is changed as well as the the name. On other cases, we just find the background of this is changed. So I'm going to go towards the background of the group. So to do that, you will need to go and select that particular group. So I'm going to say when this, which is the home group, this one, which is red, when it's visible, the background of this group, which is the group A, which is the icon and the name home, should have a different background. So doing that, I'll just simply need to go to conditional, then I'll go to um, select when group home, group home. Yeah, when group home is visible, which is this red one, I want the background color. Okay, background color to be, I think this one is more similar to this color but a lighter one. So let's just double check. Yeah, so when it's selected, even when I select the other ones, it should change after I've done everything. But it looked like this, but it looks like basic. I can try, maybe let's say change the border roundness. I don't know, maybe it will do, put it on 5. Let's see. Okay, it is border roundness. At least it has that thing a bit. I'm not sure, but cool. So here it is. We found already. Okay, when this is visible, this one will change. So let's just copy this condition so that we can apply on the other buttons as well. Copy the condition. Let's go to the next button, which is this one. I'm saying, sorry, I just right click and paste that condition. Now I change it to deals. So I'm saying when deals group is visible, the deals group is this one, is this bluish one, which will appear when I press on deals. So when it's visible, the same thing will happen to this particular group. So let's just quickly double check. See, same thing is happening. The rest is not happening because we haven't done. So these two is smooth. I think the light. I think the color is a bit light. This just put it a bit low. Okay, let me double check. See how it feels. I need something too light. Yeah, this one is fine. Yeah, copy the same. So let's go to chat. Chat is this group. Sorry, is this one. So on chat, sorry, paste. So when group chat is 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 visible, same thing will happen. Let's go to list, paste. When group lists is visible, same thing will happen. And account, this one on the first video I wanted to change to put like an icon, a yeah, iconish thing, which will show your profile picture. So I will change it throughout the series. So this one is account, and group account, sorry. There you go. Group account. So yeah, that's about it, guys. We're going to test it. Let me see if I've missed anything. The other thing which I wanted to change is um, the font size of this. I need to be a bit smaller. So let's see. Okay, there you go. Everything is working fine. So every time when it's selected, it should show like this, so that it will tell the user which page they are on, and so forth. So let me change the font size. I need something to be small. I think this is a 12. I think the 12 is a big for, it's a 14. Oh, so yeah, let's go to the 12. We can even go to a 10, but for now let's stick to a 12. If it's still big, I'll change it later. But most of these guys, you choose whatever size you want, just to go with the flow, and also the app which you're trying to create. uh, let's see. Yeah, this looks nice. It looks smaller a bit, which I want. So there you go, guys. I'm going to do another video. This time around will be um, doing other things. I'm going to also put in the upper navigation menu here, where it will show other things, like the profile and the search option, and those nice things, which also needs to be somewhere where a user will be able to quickly have access to. So similar style which you put, because it's a floating group, but I'm going to do a video because I'll add something like a drop down menu, and other things there. So stick around, like, subscribe, put comment, or like anything you want me to do on Bubble, you can just send a comment, and I will try to do some research, and then I'll post a video. Sharp.